It is 2 in the morning. The house is completely silent, but your mind is racing. You are standing in front of the open refrigerator, bathed in that cold white light, scanning the shelves for something, anything, to make the uneasy feeling in your chest go away. You are not physically hungry, your stomach is not growling, but there is a deep, overwhelming urge to eat something sweet, crunchy, or salty. You grab a handful of cookies, maybe a piece of cheese, and before you know it, you have consumed hundreds of calories without even tasting them. Does this sound familiar to you? You are not alone. Millions of people around the world struggle with this exact same monster every single day. We call it emotional eating, but in reality, it is a vicious cycle of anxiety and overconsumption that steals your energy, sabotages your health, and leaves you feeling guilty and defeated. But what if I told you that the secret to breaking this cycle is not about having more willpower or starving yourself? What if the secret is actually eating more, but choosing the right things? Today, you are going to discover the most satiating foods on the planet and exactly how they help you control your anxiety and stop overeating for good. To understand how to fix this problem, we first need to understand what is happening inside your body when you feel that sudden, intense urge to eat. Imagine your body is like a smart car. When it actually needs fuel, a gentle warning light comes on the dashboard. That is true physical hunger. It builds up slowly over a few hours. Your stomach might make a little noise, and you would be perfectly happy eating a simple apple or a plate of vegetables. But emotional hunger, the kind driven by anxiety, is completely different. It is not a gentle warning light, it is a blaring alarm siren. It hits you suddenly, out of nowhere, and you do not want an apple, you want pizza, chocolate, ice cream, or chips. This happens because your brain is stressed. When you are anxious, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol triggers a primal survival response, telling your brain that you are in danger and that you need quick energy to fight or run away. This is why you crave high-sugar, high-fat foods. They give you a massive spike of dopamine, the feel-good chemical in your brain, providing temporary relief from the anxiety. But it is a trap. That relief lasts only a few minutes, followed by a crash that leaves you feeling worse, more anxious, and craving even more food. This is where the magic of the satiety index comes in. Have you ever wondered why you can eat a massive bag of potato chips and still feel hungry 20 minutes later? But if you eat a couple of eggs, you feel completely full for hours. In the 1990s, scientists created something called the Satiety Index. They tested dozens of different foods to see which ones kept people feeling full the longest. They discovered that the most filling foods share 3 main characteristics. They are high in protein, high in fiber, and have a high volume of water or air. Think of these foods like a giant sponge. When they enter your stomach, they take up a lot of space and take a long time to break down. They send a slow, steady stream of signals to your brain, telling it, "Hey, we have plenty of fuel down here. You can relax now." When you start incorporating these high-protein foods and high-fiber foods into your daily meals, you build a protective shield around your brain. You stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing those massive dopamine crashes that trigger anxiety and emotional eating. You literally turn off the alarm siren in your brain. So, what exactly are these magical foods? Let us start with the undisputed champion of the satiety index, the humble potato. Wait, potatoes? Yes, you heard that right. For years, people have been afraid of potatoes because of low-carb diets, but boiled or baked potatoes are actually the most satiating food ever tested. According to the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, boiled potatoes scored a massive 323% on the satiety index, making them 3 times more filling than white bread. Why are they so effective? Potatoes contain a special type of protein called proteinase inhibitor 2, which suppresses your appetite by slowing down the digestion process. Furthermore, if you cook a potato and let it cool down in the fridge before eating it, it develops something called resistant starch.
Resistant starch acts like soluble fiber. It passes through your stomach undigested and feeds the good bacteria in your gut. These bacteria then produce short-chain fatty acids that travel directly to your brain, reducing inflammation and anxiety. So a simple boiled potato is actually a powerful anti-anxiety pill wrapped in a natural skin.
Next on our list is a breakfast staple that you probably already have in your pantry: oats. But I am not talking about the sugary, artificially flavored instant oatmeal packets. I am talking about plain, whole rolled oats. Oats are incredible for controlling overconsumption because they are packed with a specific type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Imagine beta-glucan as a thick, soothing gel. When you eat a bowl of warm oatmeal, this fiber absorbs water and expands in your stomach, creating a thick, gel-like substance. This gel moves very slowly through your digestive tract. It coats your stomach lining, which physically stretches the stomach walls. This stretching sends a direct text message through your vagus nerve up to your brain, saying, "We are completely full." Because it digests so slowly, it keeps your blood sugar perfectly stable all morning long. You do not get that mid-morning crash that makes you run to the vending machine for a candy bar. A stable blood sugar level means a stable mood, which directly helps you control anxiety throughout your day.
Our third incredible food is the egg. Eggs are one of the most perfect protein sources on the planet. For a long time, people avoided the egg yolks because of cholesterol myths, but the yolk is actually where all the brain-boosting nutrients live. When you eat eggs, especially for breakfast, you are giving your body a highly bioavailable form of protein. Protein is the most satiating macronutrient you can eat. When protein hits your stomach, it triggers the release of a hormone called peptide YY, or PYY. PYY is literally the stop eating hormone. It travels to your brain and shuts down the hunger centers. According to the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, people who eat eggs for breakfast consume significantly fewer calories throughout the rest of the day compared to people who eat a bagel or cereal. By starting your day with a high-protein meal like eggs, you are setting a calm, satisfied tone for your entire day. You are telling your brain that it is safe, that resources are plentiful, and that there is no need to panic and crave junk food.
Now, let us talk about a food that is rich, creamy, and feels like an absolute indulgence: the avocado. Avocados are unique because they are a fruit, but instead of being high in carbohydrates, they are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats and an enormous amount of dietary fiber. A single avocado contains about 14 grams of fiber. When you combine healthy fats with high fiber, you create a powerful defense mechanism against emotional eating. Healthy fats take a long time to leave the stomach, providing a long-lasting feeling of physical fullness. But avocados do something else too. They are rich in oleic acid, a type of fat that has been shown to calm the brain and reduce stress. When you are feeling that chest-tightening anxiety and you want to reach for a bag of greasy chips, eating half an avocado with a little salt and pepper can completely neutralize that craving. It provides the rich, creamy texture your brain is looking for, but delivers pure, anxiety-reducing nutrition instead of toxic trans fats. The fifth food you must include in your diet if you want to stop overeating is Greek yogurt, specifically plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. This is a double-action food. First, the straining process used to make Greek yogurt leaves it with twice as much protein as regular yogurt, giving you that massive PYY hormone boost we talked about with eggs. But the second, and perhaps more important reason, is the probiotics. Your gut and your brain are intimately connected by the gut-brain axis. In fact, your gut produces about 90% of your body's serotonin. Serotonin is the neurotransmitter responsible for feelings of happiness, calmness, and well-being. According to Harvard Medical School, a healthy gut microbiome can significantly reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. When you eat probiotic-rich foods like Greek yogurt, you are literally feeding the bacteria that manufacture your natural anti-anxiety chemicals. You are healing the root cause of your emotional eating from the inside out. If you find plain Greek yogurt too sour, you can naturally sweeten it with a handful of fresh berries.
which adds even more fiber and antioxidants to the mix.
Now that you know the foods, how do you actually implement this when the anxiety hits? The strategy is simple, but it requires awareness. The next time you feel that sudden, overwhelming urge to raid the pantry, pause for exactly 60 seconds. Take a deep breath. Ask yourself, am I hungry enough to eat a plain boiled potato right now? If the answer is yes, then you are experiencing physical hunger. Go ahead and eat a nourishing meal containing the foods we just discussed. Make yourself a beautiful bowl of oatmeal or scramble some eggs. But if the answer is no, if you only want something sweet or highly processed, you are experiencing anxiety. Acknowledge it. Say out loud, I am feeling anxious right now, and my brain is looking for a quick dopamine hit. By simply acknowledging the emotion, you take the power away from the craving. Drink a large glass of water, step outside for some fresh air, or call a friend. Break the automatic loop. To make this transition easier, you must remove the temptation from your immediate environment. Willpower is like a muscle. It gets tired throughout the day. If you have a box of cookies sitting on your kitchen counter, your tired, anxious brain will eventually wear you down, and you will eat them. Do not rely on willpower. Rely on your environment. Clean out your pantry. Replace the processed snacks with bowls of fresh fruit, boiled eggs in the fridge, and avocados on the counter. Make the right choice the easiest choice. When you surround yourself with the most satiating foods, you naturally begin to eat less without even trying. You will notice that you are no longer obsessing over your next meal. You will realize that the mental fog has lifted. You will feel a profound sense of control over your own body and mind, perhaps for the first time in years. Overcoming the cycle of anxiety and overconsumption is not a race. It is a gentle, gradual process of retraining your body and your mind to trust each other again. You have spent years feeding your stress with empty calories, so be patient with yourself as you introduce these powerful healing foods. Start small. Tomorrow morning, just change your breakfast. Swap the cereal for some eggs and avocado, or a bowl of oats. Notice how different you feel at noon. Notice how the midday anxiety is suddenly much quieter. As you feel the benefits, you will naturally want to incorporate more of these foods into your lunch and dinner. You are not dieting. You are not depriving yourself. You are giving your body the exact tools it needs to feel safe, full, and at peace. You have the power to change your relationship with food starting today. The anxiety does not have to control your plate anymore. By understanding the science of satiety and choosing foods that genuinely nourish you, you are taking back the steering wheel of your life. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video, where we will dive even deeper into natural ways to heal your body and mind. Have you ever tried using the potato trick to stay full? Let me know your experience in the comments below. Click the video on your screen right now to learn about the daily habits that might be destroying your gut health without you even knowing it. Thank you for watching, and remember, true health starts with what you put on your plate.